are glad to welcome you once again. Now on its third Salo-Salo Together sa pagtatapos ng taon. This event is held not only for socialization per se, but for us to kindle our unity and solidarity that we have embodied through the years that passed by.
I salute the Filipino Association Executive Committee and the leaders and members of various organizations under the FA's umbrella. Snappy salute to all of you, sir, ma'am, for all your unwavering and unstinting support. Palakpakan po natin ating mga sarili.
As vibrant members of the Filipino community in Brunei, continue to uphold the vision mission of the Filipino Association inscribed by its founders in 1982, 41 years ago. Hence, despite our individual differences and the peculiar objective of each organization, we stay true to the Filipino Association. And with that, it is indeed in the service of the Filipino community, the unity and harmony ourselves that really binds us as overseas Filipinos in Brunei.
We have proven time and again that the Filipino spirit knows no bound. Together, we've supported each other's and other true challenges and celebrated each other's triumphs, embodying the core values of resilience, compassion, and unity that make us proud to be a Filipinos. To all the leaders and members of different organizations, your contribution makes a difference. Your effort light the path forward, showing our community that we are more than just individuals pursuing separate goals. We are a collective working together to uplift and inspire. As we embark on yet another year, let us renew our commitment to each other. Let us continue to bridge distances and differences. And let us move forward with purpose, knowing that our unity is the very foundation of our strength. So, I invited everyone to enjoy tonight's festivities. Let us celebrate this journey with style and elegance. May this night be filled with laughter, joy, and renewed sense of togetherness. Once again, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, and I look forward to many more years of service, friendship, and solidarity with each and every one of you. Muli, magandang gabi po at maligayang Pasko po sa inyong lahat.